Had a 2021 Kia Sedona come in. Complaint was could not accelerate and check engine light on. Red codes P0088, and test driving, anytime giving it any amount of the throttle, it would just fall flat on its face. Doing some research, found extended warranties and recalls on various Hyundai and Kias for P0088. And the TSB states basically if the code is stored, replace a high pressure fuel pump. I just use cheap OBDII dongle and PidFusion account with the PidFusion app to just verify and sanity check before sending the customer to the dealer. When I can, I do like to see how far just plain OBDII will get me in a drivability diagnosis. So let's take a look here. Let's load up miles per hour, fuel pressure, and RPM. And looking at the fuel pressure, we can see that it is pegged about 4,000 PSI, which is not normal. Normally we want to see this fluctuate up and down, kind of like RPM. So now the question is it the sensor? Is it wiring? Is it the PCM, ECM, or is it the pump itself? Let's watch rail pressure after pulling the fuse for the low pressure fuel pump. Let the thing run out of fuel and see what happens to the pressure. As we can see, it starts out and starts dropping right down to low fuel pressure, about 80 pounds. It continues to run a little bit, then starts surging, and then finally stalls. I did try to crank and start it a couple times, but it did not. Since the rail pressure is not glitchy looking and it does drop down to low fuel pressure, it's safe to say that this thing does need a pump, just as the TSB states. I'm Troy, a technician and creator of PidFusion.com. Thanks for watching, and please share.